Step out of the car.
Okay, I'm gonna reach to unbuckle my seatbelt.
Go ahead.
Park in Pennsylvania.
Face away from me. What's in your, don't reach for anything, what's in your front waistband or in your pocket?
I don't have nothing in my pocket but my money.
Okay.
My kid is crying. Dude can't take the gun.
Alright, back up towards my voice. Back up towards my voice. Keep coming backwards.
Was there a gun in the car?
I'm going to take 2 steps left.
2 steps to your left, please. 2 steps to your left. 2 more.
2 more steps left.
To your left. To your left.
Keep coming back. Back.
5, purchase for some updates. Suspect gonna be in custody.
Adjust your son in there.
We're gonna be making some more announcements into the car. We've got one in the passenger seat.
Hold out back
in the
here.
vehicle.
You got the kids, man. My tattoo shop is right up the street. That's why I was confused. We have the pits. That's why I was.
Hey, bud, just put your hands up for us, all right?
Take that gun off him, bro.
Just come towards us, all right? Come over here.
Can't you take that gun off him? He's 8 years
Come
old,
here,
man.
bud.
Just come over to us, all right? You're good, bud.
Okay.
Dude, he's 8 years old, bro.
Anthony, you don't have any much time, right? Okay, can you do me a favor, bud? Just come back here. Is there anybody else in the car? Okay,
You guys want to clear it on the left here? That should be everyone. We can make. You want to pull the cages back a little farther?
Get out of the way. For your safety. Can you move? No, move.
My music was loud, man. I didn't hear you. It's
The other way!
That's my money.
Okay. Angel, you just want to hold the left side of me?
We can hold, there's no rush.
No,
We'll just hold it right
You ready? Let's just back up. Right. Hey, driver! Driver! With your left hand, open the door from the outside and step on out. Yeah. Okay. Step out of the car. Go ahead.
Park in Pennsylvania.
Face away from me. What's in your, don't reach for anything, what's in your front waistband or in your pocket? Okay.
my kid is crying. Dude can't take the gun.
Alright, back up towards my voice. Back up towards my voice. Keep coming backwards.
Is there a gun in the car?
2 steps to your left, please. 2 steps to your left. 2 more.
2 more steps left.
To your left. To your left.
Keep going back.
Is it just your son in there?
That's just my son, bro.
What's his name? Come on out back here.
Hey, bud, just put your hands up for us, all right?
Take that gun off him, bro.
Just come towards us, all right? Come over here.
Can you take that gun off him? He's 8 years
Just come here, bud. Just come here.
Come over to us, all right? You're good, bud.
You're okay. Hey, what's your name, bud? How many weapons on you, right? Okay, can you do me a favor, bud? Just come back here. Just have a seat for me on the curb. Is there anybody else in the car? Okay, can you just have a seat? You're okay. You can put your hands down. Okay. You guys want to just clear it?
You want to pull the kids back? Side, please. Get out of the way. For your safety. Can you move? No, move.
The other way!
Angel, you just want to hold the left side of me?
driver's side, you got the right side?
Yeah, I got the right side.
Yeah. You just want to move him back?
Yeah. Let's go right back here, okay, behind this car.
Yeah, it's all right, all right.
All right, just have a seat for me right back here on this curb.
Can my son come over here with me?
No, not right now.
What do you mean? Parole, that's my kid, bro. I'm not on probation or parole. I don't
Okay.
consent to none of this.
Okay. You want to throw him in the
I don't
car?
consent to none of this.
So everybody's out of the car. We just need to clear it.
Supposedly everyone's out. They just need to clear the car.
And this Jay.
This is the juvenile that's in the
what
car.
you got in the car.
I don't know.
Okay, here's what I got.
But
97 code the officer out of the car. I was not here to hear anybody who's responding in front of me. We'll just wait for the K9 and we'll go up on the car.
all right, bud. Do you know what's going on?
Out of the vehicle. Any other units can drop code.
Okay. You know how your dad was driving really, really fast? Did it feel like that to you? No? Okay. Did you hear the siren behind you guys for a while? Yeah? Well, so your dad was supposed to pull over when that siren was going, and he didn't for whatever reason. So we don't know what's going on, and that's why we had to pull out the guns and stuff like that. Because we don't know who he is, we don't know who you are, we don't know who's in the car. So that's why, bud, okay? You're not in trouble, okay?
Why?